Let us learn to crochet heart shape. First, make a magic ring. Make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Now make 3 triple crochet into the magic ring. First triple crochet, second triple crochet, third triple crochet. Next, make 4 double crochet into the magic ring. One, 2, 3, 4. Next, 1 triple crochet, then 4 double crochets. One, 2, 3, 4. After 4 double crochets, let's make 3 triple crochet into the magic ring. 1, 2, and 3. Now 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch into the magic ring. Close the magic ring. If you want small heart shape, you can cut the yarn and finish it off, or we can move on to second round. For second round, let us make 2 single crochet in this 3 chain space. First single crochet, you can add a marker if you want. One more single crochet in the same space. So next we are going to work on the stitches. So this is our first triple crochet. On this stitch we are going to make 3 double crochet in the same stitch. First double crochet, one more double crochet in the same stitch, one more double crochet in the same stitch. So we have 3 double crochets in the same stitch. Now in the next stitch we are going to make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. In the next stitch 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3. Next we have 4 double crochets. We will make 1 double crochet in each stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next we have one triple crochet stitch. Make 1 double crochet, 1 triple crochet in the same stitch, 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. Next we have 4 double crochets, 1 double crochet on each stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next we have 3 triple crochet stitches. Make 3 double crochets in each stitch. 1, 2, 3. In the next stitch, 1, 2, 3. In the next stitch, 1, 2, and 3. Next we have this 3 chain space. In this we will make 2 single crochets. 1, 2. Slip stitch into the first single crochet. You can remove the marker and slip stitch. Pull through the magic ring. Now close the magic ring tightly. Tie the tails. Now we have a beautiful heart shape.